Here we will find the volume and total surface area of this prism, where the prism base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a pentagonal prism, and its all arms, it has to be given that they are all equal. So this is a regular pentagonal prism. So here, to find this total surface area and volume, we need the base area and base perimeter as usual. So we need to find this pentagon's area and perimeter. So if we draw this pentagon separately, so each of its arms is given 1.5 meter, and the center to one arm's height is given this height. This height is given 1 meter. 1 meter. So now this is it's given, actually it's not told here, but it's given that this is a regular pentagon. So regular pentagon means it go through a circle, and if we join its center to this vertex corner points, these triangles, all these triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5, this one 5, all these triangles area is same. So if we can just find one triangle's area, then if we multiply it by 5, then we will get this total area. So now this one triangle, its base is given 1.5 meter, and this height is given 1 meter. So the area of this one triangle, area of one triangle is half times its base 1.5 times 1, that is 0.75 meter square. So the base area will be, there will be such 5, because it's a pentagon, regular pentagon, so there will be such 5 triangles. So base area is 5 times of this one triangle's area, that is 0.75. So if we multiply it, then we will get 3.75 meter square. Okay, so this is base area. Now the base perimeter, all arms are equal and each of the arm length is 1.5 meter. So the base perimeter will be, base perimeter is 5 times the arm length 1.5, so it will be 7.5 meter. So now we can use this two formula, total surface area and volume. Total surface area is 2 times base area plus base perimeter times height. Okay, now the height of the perimeter, height of the prism. So this is one pentagonal face, this is another back pentagonal face. The distance between these two pentagonal face, which is 4.5 meter. So this is the height of the prism. So now if we use these two formula, we can find surface area and volume. So the total surface area is 2 times base area, which is 3.75, plus base perimeter 7.5 times height of the prism. 2 times base area plus base perimeter times height of the prism, which is 4.5. If we calculate it, the total surface area will get 41.25. All dimensions are given in meter, so the total surface area will be meter square. And the volume is base area, which we got this, and the area, height 4.5. So volume is base area times height. So volume is base area, which is 3.75, and height we got 4.5. So if we multiply them, the volume will be 16.875 meter cube. Let us now find the volume and surface area of this regular octagonal prism. So here, if we count the number of arms, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is an octagonal prism and it's regular. Although due to this 3D drawing, it does not look like, but all these arms are of equal length and they are regular octagon. It's equal, arm lengths are equal, and also if we draw a circle, then this 8 vertex will be equally spaced 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is actually the regular octagon. So regular octagon means from center of the circle each vertex's distance is same. That distance is given from center to this one vertex distance is given 5 cm and one arm length is given 6 cm. So now to calculate the total surface area and volume, we need the base area and base perimeter. So to find the base area, we know for any regular polygon we divide it into smaller triangles, and for regular polygon all these triangles area is same and these two arms are equal. Now for this regular octagonal polygon we are given one arm length and the radius, that is this radius is given, arm length is given, but this height of the triangle is not given. So if we draw that one triangle, one of the 8 triangle here, then this arm and this arm, this from center, these two arms, this is the center, these two arms are equal and their length, this vertex to vertex, this is one triangle, this is another triangle, this is another triangle. In this way 8 triangle can be drawn. So each of these triangles are equal in area and one of the triangle is this, and this center to vertex, this distance is 5 cm and one arm length, one total arm length is given as 6 cm. Now we need to find the area of this triangle. If we can find one triangle, there are 8 of them. If we multiply this area by 8, we will get the total area of the octagon. So to find the area, we will draw a perpendicular line here, and these two arms are equal, so this is an isosceles triangle. If we draw a perpendicular line on this opposite arm, then it will divide this arm into 2 equal parts. So this total is 6, so each of this will be 3 cm. So now if we consider this height is u, then, and this is a right angle, so this is the hypotenuse. Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square will be u square plus 3 square, u square plus 3 square. So from here we will get u square equals 5 square is 25 minus this 3 will go and minus, so 9, which is 16. So u square is 16, so we will be getting u equals 4 cm. So this height is 4 cm. So this area of this one triangle, area of this one triangle will be half, this total base is 6 and this height is u, we found it 4, so it will be 12 cm square. So one of the triangle, or one of this 8 triangle, its area is 12 cm. So the total base area will be 8 times of this. So we found our base area, that is octagonal base area, is 8 times this one of the triangles area, which is 96 cm square. So we found our base area. Now we need base perimeter. Each of the arm is 6 cm. There are 8 of them. So the total base perimeter will be, base perimeter is 8 times 6, that is 48 cm. So now we have our base area and base perimeter. Using these two formula, we can find our total surface area and volume. Total surface area is 2 times base area plus base perimeter times height. So now this is an octagonal face, there is another octagonal face hidden here, and the distance between these two is 12 cm. So this is the height, this is the height of the prism. So total surface area will be 2 times base area plus base perimeter times height. So let us find it. Total surface area equals 2 times base area is 96 plus base perimeter is 48 times height of the prism. Height of the prism is 12. So if we calculate it, we will get 768 cm square. So this is the total surface area. Now the volume is base area times height. Height is 12. So volume is base area, which is 96, times height, that is 12. So you will get it 1152 centimeter cube. So here in this example, this is an octagonal prism, regular octagonal prism. Here the one arm length and the radius of this circle was given. We found this height, and thereby we calculated the area of one triangle, and we multiplied that by 8, that is the number of arms, octagon 8, and thereby we found the total area of the base.